we are almost we have added uh, items to the database and we have retrieved item to the database. But how about if we want to delete an item? So we'll just stop the app out here and go to the code base in the Visual Studio. Now, if you want to delete an item from the database, you have to basically just we'll just select a method here and just copy it and we'll rename it as delete contact. Delete contact, and whatever contact is passed, we are going to delete it. So what it does is deletes a given object from database using its primary key. Now if you go to the declaration, number of rows deleted, it returns number of rows deleted. Now there are several other methods out there, like we can also pass the primary key directly. Now there is another one where delete all, which will delete all the data, like basically the table itself will be deleted. So rather than the table, all the objects in the table will be deleted. So it is even they have given a warning. It deletes all the objects from the specified table. Do you really want to do that? So basically be careful while using this one. So right now we will just work with this particular method, delete, and we'll pass the contact from the basically which we want to delete. So I'll just go to the main scene, and now one more thing, like it has mentioned out here, it requires the primary key. If the primary key is not there, it will give an exception, cannot delete, it has no primary key. So basically what if you want to delete a contact, you just pass the primary key. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use this method and create a delete method here. On delete contact button, click. Now we'll delete this particular item, Neeraj Jaiswal, and I'll just go to the database. We'll see there are two items, one with ID 1, one with ID 2. I'll delete with ID 2. So there is no need to provide this much detail. You just provide ID 2 and that's it. We'll just print this here, and then we'll just return value, and then we'll just do delete contact. I'll just build and see that if there is any compilation error or not. There's no compilation error. We'll go back to the UI, make sure the app is stopped, and we'll clear it out. We'll duplicate it, we'll rename it to delete contact, and we'll rename the button also. And then make sure you select the function delete contact button, click. Now this is done. So let us run this up once more. Right now, if you just make sure you refresh it and see in the database, so I'm going to delete this particular row. So just to confirm, ID is 2, Let us see and what happens. So the app is running. I'll just click on delete contact. So one value has been deleted, and I will just refresh it. So that particular item is gone. So now we have basically deleted an item from the database.